Good afternoon, North East property homeowners. Louise here once again from Sell with Richard. I hope everyone's okay today. Our second viewing of the day. This one's in Peterlee. So, came to the property, 3-bedroom end terrace, flat roof kitchen, bathroom, roof's leaked, so needs a new roof, new bathroom needed, new kitchen, carpets throughout and re-decor. As you can see behind me, spindles are missing, and vendor came to us. He said, I'm a tired landlord, I've had enough. I've been in the business for quite a few years now. I just want to spend some time with my family, take the grandkids on holidays and just enjoy them. Myself and his wife just want to enjoy the grandkids, which you can't blame him. So if you've got a property like this, or you know someone who has, click the link below and myself or Richard will be in touch.